Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on how to show these characters on the minimap, and also since we are using these pointy icons, we are going to update the direction of the characters as well in the main map. So as you can see, we can now see where they are, the direction that they are looking at, some extra data if you want. So yeah, we are going to work on how to add characters to the minimap, and also how to show their face interaction as well in the main map, not minimap, in the main map. And it's not just for characters. Actually, we are going to implement the function so that any actor that you have in the world, if you want, you can show them. And also if you want to show their facing direction, you can use that too, to show which direction that the actor is facing, regardless of their characters or anything else in the world. Right, so before we get started, let me remind you that you can access the full tutorial series of this project. Everything is implemented from scratch and explained. You can follow these episodes and implement everything you see here by yourself too. And also, once you become a member in the Patreon page, you can access all project files of not just this project, all thousands of projects I have done in my channel. So yeah, you can access them too, and I'll leave links to everything in description below. And let's get started with today's episode. Okay, so right now, if I go to the main map, I only see these markers. I don't see actors, so that's what I want to do. So first thing, let's select one of the characters. Let's see. To set, I'll go to the base. Do I have the okay? I'll enable this show on main map and compile. Now it's visible. Now they are visible in the main map. But the problem is here, they are always facing down. It's not updating according to their according to the direction that they are facing. Okay, so how do we do that? Let me on the map blueprint, pp, UI, map and markers, and map. Now here, we will, if we want to update the direction, the facing direction of the enemies in real time, well, actually not real time, because when we open the map, the game is paused, so they will not be moving. So it's not necessary to update their direction in the tick, in like regardless of if I'm zooming or anything. So here under marker, update marker position, maybe let's rename this update marker position and rotation. So let's call it transform. Okay, so it means both position and rotation. And I'll just call this update all markers. No, position. So it would mean like just updating. It could be position, it could be rotation. So in order to determine whether we need to update the rotation, here we can use this rotate to actor forward. So I can let me do that separately, maybe here. I can get marker. We can clean this up a little bit. Hide all unconnected. The data, get my marker data and break. Then here, use this. If we want to rotate to actor forward, this will be set to true for each actor. In that case, I can get actor rotation, and here we can write this. We can split this. We only need yaw, and then the marker. Can use the marker angle, set render transform angle. Let me just put it here directly. Maybe we need to add some offset to this, but let's see how it works. It seems to work, but it's the opposite. So here you see in the minimap it looks correct, and if I turn this way, now that means my player is looking along the wrong road. But if I go to the main map, see, it's the opposite side. So that means I will have to add 180 degrees, so it will be facing the other direction, and that should make the calculation correct. Then connected pins. Selected this part and update rotation. Update position. Enable this. I can show it when we zoom out. Right. That should be it. Now everything works perfectly. Yeah, and also our player character's color is white, and it's a little bit bigger than other enemy characters too, which is some extra detail, and it's already working because we have used this when we add the marker. We used this marker size, which is changed or increased for the player character, so that's why it's already working without having to do anything else. We already did that for the minimap, so it's working straight from that. Alright, okay, so thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available for download here in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.